Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will know how to take statement from PayTM. First, open PayTM app in your phone. I open PayTM app, and here you will find wallet option. See here, this is wallet option. Just click it, and here you will have passbook option. Just click it. And here you will get one option request statement. Just click on it, and here you will find several options like last 1 month, last 3 months, last 6 months, last 1 year, uh, first year 2022 to 2023 custom duration. If you click custom duration, you can select the dates from which date to which date you would like to get statement. Okay, so here I just uh, I would like to get 18th October 2023 to for example 6th November 2023. So between these 18th October 2023 to 6th November 2023 statement will be downloaded. Okay, click on proceed finally and click on confirm. Suppose if you want last 1 month, just place on first option and click on confirm. Okay, now I have selected a particular duration and click on confirm, and see here it says that statement from successfully sent to prince at gmail.com. The given email id will be showing here, and click on done, and statement will be sent to your email id. So open your email id and you will see here, yes, I have received the paytm bank wallet statement. Okay, yes, now I am downloading that pdf file. See here, yes, this is the my so this is my statement. Okay, so in this way you can easily take paytm bank wallet statement from paytm itself. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.